Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I am at Let's Talk About It. I've been seeing this place on TikTok, so I'm having like a little date with my honey. Say hey.
You ain't even gotta say it. Misunderstood, don't need to be complicated. You know we good, no reason to be explaining. Just give me loyalty, cause love is overrated. Yeah. I know you love when we shaded. That dog, they hate it when we isolated. You know we good, no reason to be explaining. Just want your loyalty, the love is overrated. Are you down to bleed?
Okay, real quick, out of 10, what do you recommend?
I don't give anything a 10, so I'm gonna give it a. I'm gonna get an 8.5.
Okay. Yeah.
8 3/4. There you go.
Okay, I agree with that.
8 3/4.
8 out of 10.
No, 8 3/4.
Come on, why you gotta be all that? You know I don't like math.
I'll get an 8 3/4.
You know I don't like math. Okay, but you said I'm supposed to know what it is based off the box. I don't know what this is.
Open it up, babe. You came this far.
Huh?
You've come this far. Go ahead, open it up.
Why am I nervous?
I don't know. Why should you be nervous?
I don't know. I feel like the minute. Hold on, can you see me?
I don't care to see what it is. I already know what it is. I want to see your face.
I know, that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm trying to scoot it back so you can see me. Hold on, I done locked the damn.
Yeah, I see you now.
Okay, because I made a mistake and locked it.
Go ahead.
Am I gonna cry?
I don't know. Would you cry?
I don't know. I'm always crying. Like every time you give me something, I'm always crying.
Go ahead.
Okay, let's see.
Go ahead. Open it up. Why you open it up halfway?
Will, what is this?
I don't know. Let me see. Let me see.
Will,
Open it up.
is this the bag I wanted?
I don't know. Open it up.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Wait.
Okay. I got you.
Wait, y'all, look at this.
What time we get in short?
I think this is the bag I wanted. I was this close to buying this bag. I think I know what it is. I'm gonna cry. Wait, why is it in? This is really cute wrapping. Do they know this is like an anniversary gift? This is cute. Okay, wait.
You don't even know what it is.
I feel like I know what it is. Oh, I have to open the ribbon thing.
Ugly faces on camera.
I don't care about that. I actually wanted this. This is the Coach Tabby. Oh, thank you, honey.
Does it come with the strap?
Oh wait, yeah.
Okay.
It has a little strap with it. How did you get this? These things been sold out.
Hey man, you gotta know somebody to know somebody.
You don't know nobody at no Coach.
Hey, how did I get it there?
Aw, thank you, babe. I wish you was here so I can kiss you. She's so cute. And I haven't had like a little small bag. So. Aw, thank you, honey. I'm so happy. This is it, right? I'm not getting nothing else. What you mean you don't know? Okay, y'all. So I heard some really good things about these cookies. They're called the Sweet Lawrence, and they are actually a dairy-free brand of cookie, and they're also plant-based. So I wanted to try this out because my body definitely does not react to dairy well. So anything that I can get and try that's dairy-free, I definitely try it. And then for some stuff like Jenny's ice cream, I'm just gonna rough it out. So let's see how these turn out. 11-13 minutes. Soft and chewy, 14 to 16 minutes, crispier cookie. Is it just me, or like, because I know like when I'm baking stuff, if it tells me like between 11 and 13 minutes, like I'll do like 12. Like 14, 16, I'll do like 15 minutes. I don't know why I do that, but my stuff always come out good. So I'm gonna get my little baking sheet, honey. Yes, I got a pot on the stove, honey. I live here. Hey, I live here. Oh, okay. That's why they feel like they broken apart. I'm like, so this is what they look like. Girl, I feel like they juked me. Where these three at? Look. And you can even push them back, honey. I still got room. What's her name? Jenny. Oh, Lauren, where my three? Girl, they smell okay. It's a peanut tree nut free, but it smells like it got peanut butter in here, but it's chocolate chunk cookie dough. Okay, it's vegan. Okay, y'all, so hold on. This is what they're looking like straight out the oven. So I'm gonna try it. I'll let y'all know how it tastes. Okay, I'm about to try them real quick. Yes, I took that little thing off my head because that's not how I walk around the house, and I want to change my shirt because I was over it. So let's see. They not Toll House. That's like my favorite. The bottom, to me, I don't know what it is about the bottom. I didn't cook mine too long, but something about the bottom is giving me like a weird gummy texture. But it's not bad. It's not bad to be a plant-based cookie. So this is actually a really good option. So today I am actually on my way to get my lashes done. I'm running some errands this week for my anniversary. This is actually my 10th year anniversary. I am super excited. So of course, you know, I gotta get real cute or whatever, honey. I took my lashes off, baby, and I'm looking like that little thing on what's that thing they say on the Ice Age? If I can find it, I'm gonna insert a picture of it. But that's what I'm looking like today because I'm getting a different type of lash. So I took all my lashes off, but so I'm just gonna bring y'all with me on my running my little errands today, but y'all can just get a good little look at what I'm looking like right now. Yeah, so okay.
You know I'm forever late. Money ain't nothing if you got nobody to share it with. Heart on my sleeve, don't got a problem with wearing it. Time ain't free, so if you got it, then cherish it. You know the code never switch. My love legit.
We made love like we always knew each other.
Good morning, y'all. So trying to make this real quick because I'm actually about to run into the store. So I came up here to Bass Pro Shop. This place is so damn far, too much traffic, but I came up here because I wanted to get my husband part of his anniversary gift. But y'all, it's too early. I'm up early. I'm not even up this early when I gotta go to work, child. I'm tired. I want to go sleep, honey, but this where we at, child. Girl, and they out here too. It's early. Look at all these people out here. All right, let's go in here and get what we came to get so we can get back to the house, child.
Problem with wearing it. Time ain't free, so if you got it, then cherish it. You know the code.
All right, y'all, I'm back in the car. So I'm about to head home, but before I do that, I wanted to like quickly show y'all what I got. So I went to Target, I went to Bass Pro Shop, I went to Ulta, and now I'm finna go home. So at Bass Pro Shop, I was only able to get like 2 hats because apparently this is like a very popular hat or whatever. So the lady, like when I looked online this morning, I got excited because they had so many hats in stock. So I was like, oh, I'm about to get like all the hat colors I want to get him. So I get there and the lady was like, oh, there was a bunch of guys that came in and they just grabbed up all the hats. So apparently these hats are popular and they're hard to come by, but at this point, I'm sorry, but he just gonna have to be happy with these. So I got a green one. So it's like, this is what it looked like on the front, and then it's like this netted on the back. So I got this green, and then I got another green because that's all I could find. I got an olive. So that's same thing on the front, and then the back. So that's that. And then I also got him some cologne from Ulta, which smells really good. My friend actually told me about this. So this was the Aqua D Giorgio Armani. I'm not sure, but I got him this one. It's just like the 1 full ounce one. He has like some other gifts that are actually coming, but they're not going to be here until after our anniversary. So I just didn't want to like show up empty-handed and have nothing to give him. So did that. It's now almost noon. I've been up since 8, and then we gotta leave at 2, and I still gotta get home and pack my stuff. So, and charge the car, because with me going all the way to Timbuktu, now I gotta charge the car to make sure we have like some battery life, so we can get down there. So if I don't see y'all again, thank y'all so much for watching. The next one after this should be my my anniversary vlog, so I'll definitely be sharing it with you all. We are going to Chateau Elan to celebrate our 10-year anniversary, so I'm very excited. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.